everybody, welcome to a special episode. They're all special, right everybody? There isn't a not special video. But today, the weather is terrible, or it's going to be terrible. The weatherman has posted, and I've got several thunderstorm alerts, and while I still have the ability to do it, I'm going to go drive home and go get my car. At least I got to get my driving in today, or my riding in for the good old Lifan. But, just like last time on the KPR 200, I'm going to go ahead and give it a go on the freeway. Now, doing it a little bit different, my GPS on my GoPro may not be synced up correctly, so what I'm going to do is I have my phone in my pocket with the GPS, so at the end of the video you'll be able to get confirmation as to how fast I was going. So I'm building speed to get onto the freeway on this air-cooled V-twin, and according to wow, this thing's windy. According to the bike, I'm going 62 miles per hour with plenty of throttle left. I'm still have to brake the motor in. I'm still worried about how fast it can go. Alright, merging over into the right lane, and it says I'm going 70 miles per hour. 72, 73. I'm not even max RPM yet, so 74. But we'll see how true to form that is. The KPR is minus 200, or minus 200, minus 5, so it's always 5 over, which is tolerable. Unlike the KP Mini, which is a good 200, a good 10 miles per hour on average over. So it says I'm cruising at 62, and I can kind of believe that. I mean, I am on the freeway, and it says 62. And it's very comfortable. I mean, it's a cruiser. I feel a little bit of vibration on my butt, but nothing more than I normally feel. Now that I'm in an upright and spread eagle position, I definitely can feel the wind more than other bikes. But yeah, it's not that bad. It's comfortable. I could ride this all the way to Galveston, just like this, all the way there. Cruising on my 250 from China. I'm telling you, just like the KPR 200, I think this would make a great little commuter bike also, if you wanted a cruiser style bike. Now, the KPR 200 is water-cooled also, so I kind of have a partial to that. It's a 200cc and it has 6 speeds, and the gearing ratio is much longer and better suited for speed. Now today I did drive this bike. When I was driving to work, I did drag my peg on the left side. So yeah, I wonder how fast that was in GPS terms versus speedometer. That's probably one of the more common things. It seems like every time I get a bike, everyone wants me to do a speed test and see how fast it can go. Now that I got the dealer plates on here and I've been able to drive it a lot or more, or ruckus, just sitting in the garage waiting for its turn, it's been fun. I like it. This is easy to ride. I've let several people ride it so far, and it's the first time they've asked to ride it again. You know what I mean? Like, hey, can I ride it again? You know? But then all the people I ride with are minis and street bikes, so I guess this is something different for them, you know? They don't get to ride a cruiser type style bike. And then also, what's a funny thing also at work, there's a lot of cruiser people riding up here who have, I know this is going to sound terrible, guys, but they have wives who they would love to get into riding also. So they're like, that's cheap enough, looks cool enough, and fast enough, you know, that they could get it as a starter cruiser bike for their wife. But anyways, I got some time this weekend, I hope, to do my first look and go in at least a little bit more detail the features of this bike and its capabilities and its claimed stuff. But hopefully we can answer today's speed question. How fast was I officially going? Will be right here. How fast? The fastest I was going on the freeway just now when it said 73, 74. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. This will be the first return video of the of the Lifan Lycan 250cc. See, look, it's raining on me already. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget, if I hit 2,600 subscribers by 4th of July at 10:40 p.m. then I get an SEV tattoo on my body. I get to choose. Gets to be in color. So be sure to subscribe, or else I'll subscribe to T-Series. Alright, see you guys in the next one.